Hi, we are here at a padel hall near Basel. The operator is a former football professional, Marco Strella, who now runs a whole series of padel halls in Switzerland, many of which have been automated with Loxone. Today, however, we are here to talk with the implementing Loxone partner, Martin Zimmermann from Thinking House GmbH, about a very special aspect. Yeah, so Martin, a lot has been realized in the audio area in these halls. Give us a brief overview of what you've installed here.
Exactly, we have installed the audio server here with 5 extensions and suitable dimension transformers to operate 14 wall speakers. This is hardware-wise rounded off by a touch pure flex, which allows us to control the volume individually for each field. What I particularly want to emphasise is the incredible quality of these small speakers in this large hall. At the beginning, we always talked about it just being background music, but if you wanted, you could have a real big party here. So it's not an enormous amount of hardware, but I think there are quite a few features that can be teased out of it.
And what features do you have to offer here?
Yes, you are greeted when you enter the hall. We have various explanatory videos that are also shown accordingly. The sound is then faded out, text-to-speech comes in, and then the sound is turned up again. The possibilities are almost limitless.
Rein und danach wird der Sound wieder hochgefahren. Die Möglichkeiten sind ja fast unbegrenzt.
Yeah, the topic of music isn't so simple, especially in commercially used areas, because it's not as trivial about which music you play and especially from which source you play music.
Exactly, and in the commercial sector, Spotify, iTunes, etc. are out from the start. It is simply not legally allowed. What basically remains is internet radio. You then have ads, and you don't really know what music is coming up depending on the time of day and day of the week, leading to an inconsistent guest experience. So it is great Loxone now has a cooperation with Soundsuit, an online music library that allows legal music streaming in commercial spaces.
Yeah, the topic of music isn't so simple. You have to consider in commercial spaces what music you're playing and even where you're playing it from.
For us, the particular game changer has been in the audio sector, because we can now underscore our day-to-day with high-quality legal music. What I particularly want to highlight is the incredible quality of these small speakers. Loxone in combination with Soundsuit and the great speakers from Quadral make for a very well-rounded package.
Den tollen Lautsprechern von Quadral sind eine super runde Sache.
Music can be an important motivator in sports. What role does music play in your padel halls?
Yes, music is an important motivational factor. I can say that from personal experience. In my career, music always is something that let you dream, that made you focus on the game and get you in the right headspace before a match. It always helped me a lot. And here, yes, it's also a bit of the lifestyle too. People like it when you come in and there's music playing. After sport, they can have a water or a beer here in comfort. Music facilitates all of this. So it's really cool when you come in here and hear music.
If you are also looking for an intelligent solution for integrated audio in your building, visit our website at www.loxone.com. There you'll find all the information. Otherwise, if you like the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.
Danke fürs Schauen.